We're here with the one and only Mat Armstrong and Kevin. This is the Lamborghini. I call it a Lamborghini because you know about Lamborghini used in the car parks. If you ever want to build Diablo, I've got a spare one of these, and it's for this side.
I'll remember that.
Yeah, so this car, I brought it back a couple of years ago off a guy in Skeggy. He basically said to me, it's got no MOT, but if I put an MOT on it, I want 12 grand for it, but I'll take 5 for it. It'll pass though, first time is what he said. I knew it had a misfire, which on these are normally core packs or injectors, and it had a bit of rust around the rear arches, so I brought it, and I thought I'd paint it myself. Anyway, I got it home, took the side skirt off, found the hole in the sill, and long story short, the whole pinch weld, inner sills, outer sills, and the rear quarters are all welded in. So it was quite a long time on the driveway. I put up a machine marked tent.
That's it.
Originally to paint the car, and well, basically ended up welding the car up in there, annoying the neighbours a bit. Then I painted the car myself in there.
Yeah, that's good. Nice colour as well.
Yeah, this is I actually thought that it could be like colour twins. This is actually Chrysler colour. Chrysler plug crazy.
Nice.
You have a look inside. So now you get to feel what it's like to have or being a poor man's Lamborghini.
Oh my god, that's expensive.
It works though.
Yeah.
Sort of. No, seriously, one thing what doesn't work, it did used to work. If I turn the lights on and I put the main beam on, the indicator doesn't work anymore, and it's not a lamp and it's not a fuse, and
the indicators don't work all the way around, or they just the main beams work. Yeah. The telltale sign for the main beams don't work anymore, but they did work before. And it's not the bulb in there. Who knows?
Yeah, I was going to say, you're if anybody could solve this problem, now you're here. That's it.
That's it.
And while we're here as well, I mean, I did go out in it the other week, and I parked up in Alpha's car park, had a quarter of an hour walk around, come back, and I started it, shut the door, and it turned off. And then it basically turned over and over and over. Thought it was flooded, wasn't flooded. I concluded the fuel pump was knackered. Yeah. So I had to arrange for a tow, and they couldn't come for a couple of days. Anyway, I went to pick the car up with the tow company, and it started. And well, it's not the relay, and all the wiring seems fine. I can't get the fuel pump out because it's got 6-8mm round bolts. Any ideas?
Impossible. Could be absolutely anything.
Yeah, I'll drop it off at the workshop Monday, yeah? How about this? Would you like this for your next project?
It'll take me a long time. But maybe I'll get into Japanese cars at some point. More of a German and Italian guy, really, but it's what it is. No, thanks for showing me that.
Well, nice to meet you.
You.
Good luck with whatever you do next.
No, cheers.
And I'll be watching.
I'll catch you in a minute.